tell me one other food product you consume which is sold like the way meat gets sold. Literally gutter mein hi hai. And we still end up cooking. This is a center of plate, fish, chicken, mutton, that doesn't connect the dot. When Abhay came to me with this meat idea, I said, yeah, in India mein meat banayega kya? He said, Jammu Kashmir mein 51,000 tons of mutton we eat in a year. And then when I went deep inside the problem, more than numbers, anything, I think I found a purpose.
I think setting the quality standard high is your right to be the consumer representative.
Quality of chicken is combination of the breed, the combination of what is given to that chicken, the environment that chicken is grown in.
Since we have got the control over the feed formulation, biosecurity and all, we can ensure that the bird are living there with more welfare conditions, and we can prevent the infections coming in or coming out of the farms. We have designated veterinarians in all our branches, so they will be doing routine visits.
And for red meat, if you see, it all the way starts from the animal selection. We do multiple quality checks like temperature of the carcass at the time of receiving and also the pH measurement.
If I bring the fish to home, I have to clean it because in the market they don't do proper cleaning. Then my wife told me order fish from Licious. It was excellent here. There's no cleaning, nothing, nice packing, hygienic. Everything was so good.
We wanted to ensure that when the product goes to the customer, it is the safest. Just because the germs will get killed in the kadai or in the pressure cooker doesn't mean that I will present it with germs, right?
Packaging is as equal important as product is. It is the first barrier before it starts impacting the quality.
Most people have tried to slowly embrace vacuum packaging, but it's not about the technique of vacuum. It's about the barrier properties, the material that you choose, the oxygen transfer rate, the water retention capability. These are the very scientific things. The role of packaging in animal protein and fisheries goes beyond presentation. It has a big role to play on taste, texture, mouthfeel, bite, cooking experience. All of this comes together to make a Licious experience.